Thinking about setting up your salon, spa, or fitness studio with Vagaro? Wondering what kind of financial commitment you're looking at? It's not just a simple monthly fee, there are various charges to consider. Let's break down exactly how much Vagaro charges merchants. Vagaro is a comprehensive business management solution popular in the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. It's designed to streamline operations, from appointment scheduling and staff management to inventory and payment processing. But like any powerful tool, it comes with a cost. Understanding these costs up front is crucial for managing your budget and ensuring Vagaro is the right fit for your business. The pricing structure of Vagaro isn't a one-size-fits-all model. It primarily revolves around a base monthly subscription fee, which then gets layered with additional costs for payment processing and optional add-on features. So, let's dive into the specifics, starting with the core subscription. Vagaro's base monthly subscription is determined by the number of bookable calendars or users you need. For a single user, the core service starts around $30 per month. If you need more calendars or have additional team members who require their own schedules, the cost goes up. Typically, it's an additional $10 per month for each extra calendar or user. This means if you have, say, 3 stylists, your base monthly subscription would be around $50, $30 for the first plus $10 for the second plus $10 for the third. Interestingly, for businesses with 7 or more users, the pricing often caps at around $80 to $90 per month, meaning everyone after the 7th user might be free on the subscription side. For multi-location businesses, Vagaro usually offers custom enterprise pricing, so you'd need to contact them directly for a quote. Now, let's talk about the biggest component for many merchants: payment processing fees. This is where the cost can fluctuate significantly based on your monthly sales volume and how your customers pay. Vagaro categorizes merchants into 2 main groups for credit card processing: small merchants and large merchants. If your business processes less than $4,000 in credit card transactions per month, you're generally considered a small merchant by Vagaro. For these businesses, the processing rates are swiped, dipped, or tap transactions, card present around 2.6% plus 10 cents per transaction. Some sources mention 2.75% for small merchants. Keyed in or card on file transactions, card not present approximately 3.5% plus 15 cents per transaction. A significant benefit for small merchants is that Vagaro absorbs certain network fees, like the fixed acquirer network fee, FANF, and MasterCard location fees, which helps keep the overall cost down. There is typically no additional monthly fee for credit card processing for small merchants. For businesses that process $4,000 or more in credit card transactions per month, you fall under the large merchant category. The rates for these businesses are generally lower per transaction percentage-wise, but they come with a small monthly fee and some additional network fees that Vagaro does not absorb. Swiped, dipped, or tap transactions, card present around 2.2% plus 19 cents per transaction. Keyed in or card on file transactions, card not present approximately 3.5% plus 15 cents per transaction. Some sources also cite 3% plus 19 cents for keyed in. Monthly fee. Large merchants typically incur a $10 monthly subscription for credit card processing. FANF, fixed acquirer network fee. This variable fee is charged by Visa and depends on your monthly volume. For example, if your monthly volume is between $1,250 and $3,999, the FANF could be $7. For higher volumes, it can go up significantly. Vagaro does not absorb this fee for large merchants. MasterCard location fee. MasterCard charges a monthly fee of around $1.25, or $15 annually, to accept credit or debit cards at your location. Again, Vagaro typically passes this on to large merchants. It's important to note that these percentages and flat fees are deducted from the total transaction amount before the funds are deposited into your bank account. Vagaro also provides detailed reports that break down all fee deductions, so you can track your net earnings. Beyond the core subscription and payment processing, Vagaro offers a suite of add-on features, each with its own additional cost. These features can significantly enhance your business operations, but will also increase your overall monthly expenditure. Some common add-ons and their approximate monthly costs include text marketing, starting around $20 per month, allowing you to send promotional messages and automated reminders to your clients. Forms, approximately $10 per month for creating and managing custom consent forms, waivers, surveys, and intake forms. Online shopping cart, around $10 per month if you want to sell products, packages, memberships, or gift cards directly through your Vagaro site or social media. Website builder, Vagaro My Site, roughly $20 per month to create and manage a professional website integrated with your Vagaro booking system. File storage, Vagaro Drive, starting at $10 per month for storing customer photos, files, and other documents. Check-in app, about $10 per month for an app that allows customers to check in for services and classes. Branded app, this is a more significant investment, potentially starting at $100 to $200 per month, for a custom-designed app for your business that customers can download from app stores. Payroll, Vagaro Payroll, approximately $34 per month, plus an additional $5 per employee for integrating payroll services. QuickBooks or Zero integration, around $30 per month to sync your Vagaro transactions with your accounting software. Livestream, about $10 per month per license if you want to offer live-streamed appointments or classes. Get featured, approximately $10 per month to boost your business's visibility on the Vagaro marketplace. Another important fee to be aware of, especially when offering flexible payment options to your customers, is the Vagaro Pay Later fee. If you enable Vagaro Pay Later, which allows customers to pay for services in installments, a fee of about 6% per transaction is typically charged to your business, not the customer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.